Affinity Photo has loads and loads of great tools, and you can add many new tools to the tools panel. In particular, things like the mirror. All these things can be added very quickly. Go to View and down to Customize Tools. So Customize Tools, and then you can see all the tools available. Probably a good 100 there, I think. If you want to say add this one, the Twirl tool or Sphere tool, simply select and then drag. You can see the outline of that, and you can drag it over there, and you can then drag it and position it anywhere you want and release. Once you've done that, you can then of course use it. There's also other options in here. You've got here number of columns. You can go for 3 or 4, so you can obviously get a nice tool panel like that, and click close. Well, once you've got it, I'm just going to go over this one, the mirror tool. I think this is one of the most powerful tools, the mirror tool. So let's start with an image. This one's Adobe stock image. And to use the mirror tool, make certain the layer is selected. Go to the mirror tool. And then with that, you can see straight away, you get this panel. Exactly the same as if you were using it as a filter. But now it's just accessible very quickly from here. So number of mirrors, you can put it to 4. And then you can reposition there, maybe go with that. And you can also change the input, something like that, and click apply. And that's all using this. So again, go here, and again, exactly the same thing. So you can go there, 45, and click apply. Thousands of different designs created very quickly using this tools panel. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe to the channel, always adding lots of tutorials all the time about Affinity Photo, Designer, as well as Photoshop and others. Bye.